the St. Lawrence College Cornwall campus. Very serene environment and really beautiful location. It has opened so many doors for me, such as an opportunity to work with my professor in my field. नमस्ते, मेरा नाम मीत पटेल है और मैं भारत से हूँ और मैं यहाँ पे सेंट लॉरेंस कॉलेज में प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट का कोर्स ले रहा हूँ. The professors are really supportive. The community surrounding the St. Lawrence College is very nice. The people are really friendly and helping each other. I like the cycling. Whenever I feel stressed, I just go to my bike and just enjoy my ride. The college organizes the different kind of events such as dragon race, concert and different kind of events, so students can engage with each other and also they can engage with the community.